To find hidden photos on an iPhone running iOS 18, follow these steps. 1. Open the Photos app. Launch the Photos app from your home screen. 2. Go to the Albums tab. At the bottom of the screen, tap on the Albums tab. 3. Scroll to find the hidden album. In the Album section, scroll down until you see the hidden album. This album might be listed under Utilities or another relevant category. 4. Access the hidden album. Tap on the hidden album. You may need to use Face ID, Touch ID, or your passcode to unlock it if it's protected. Number 5. View and manage hidden photos. Browse through the photos in this album. You can view, unhide, or delete photos as needed. 6. Unhide photos. To unhide a photo, tap on it to open it, then tap the Share button, a square with an arrow pointing up, and select Unhide. If you don't see the hidden album, you may need to enable it in the settings. 1. Open Settings. Go to your iPhone's Settings app. 2. Tap on Photos. Scroll down and select Photos. Enable Hidden Album. Ensure that the Hidden Album toggle is turned on to make the album visible in the Photos app. Let me know if you need any more help.